Hi, I'm working on classifying triangles, so we are going to take a look at these. We are going to label these with the angle measurements as well as the side lengths. So we're going to start off with this first one. So you can see that these are all the same side lengths, 8.6, 8.6, 8.6. And the relationship with these in a triangle is that if two sides are equal, then they're opposite angles. So like this opposite angle would be this one's opposite angle would be this, and then this one's opposite angle would be this. So if I'm looking at the opposite angles, we can kind of establish that if two sides are equal to each other, then those two angles are equal to each other. Now in this case, all three sides are equal to each other, which means all three angles are equal to each other. So this is what's called an equilateral and an equiangular triangle. Now, when we take a look at something like this, as you can see, we have a 32 degrees, 58 degrees, and then a 90 degrees. So all three angle measurements are different, and that means that all three side lengths are going to be different. So there's no commonalities here. When you have all three side lengths that are different, that is called a scalene triangle. But in this case, we do have a 90-degree angle, so this one is going to be a right triangle. Now you go ahead and take a look at this one right here. You've got a 26-degree and another 26-degree angle, so you can see that the opposite sides are also going to be equal, 2.5, 2.5. And then this last angle here is 128, which is opposite the longest side length, which is 4.5. So this is called an obtuse angle right here, because it's bigger than 90 degrees. So this is an obtuse triangle, if we're labeling it with angle measurements. And then the side lengths, because there are two sides that are equal to each other, this is called an isosceles triangle. So isosceles is when at least two sides are equal. That is what that is called, an isosceles triangle. And if you want more questions like this, you can find them on my YouTube channel. You Want Algebra. Check these out under the geometry section.